Actually may just come up here and take out the high, which kind of makes sense, then work its way on down, fill in this gap here, have some kind of reaction, come back up here and retest that. I see it working its way down, all the way down to it's an order
When
block
you
down
saw
here.
the last video, it was here. I said that price would go down, and I said it would go all the way down and touch this bullish order block, which is here.
Deal Surgeons Elite Masterminds, what's going on? This is Diamond Life doing a before and after. So actually, I'll talk about how I missed the move as well. Now, I could have took a short. I did it on demo, but I don't know why I was thinking that price would come back up here. It has to retest this zone right here. If I go on a higher time frame, we look and we see that price broke this zone right here. This zone was, a lot of lows were being forced back up. You see that? It hit the zone, then it bounced up. Okay, hit the zone, then it bounced up. Okay, now it broke it. Okay, I don't know what I was thinking. I've been looking at this stuff for so long, man. I actually thought it was about to just pop up here and retest this already, but that was incorrect. It had to come down here to this bullish order block. This is a bullish order block on the daily. Let me double click on it. Yeah, it's a bullish order block zone, meaning this is the high consequent encroachment in the opening price. So we had a huge spike off of this off of consequent encroachment, basically. If we look to the left, we see that we got a break of structure. This is what I'm seeing. These highs were maintained, made a low. These highs were maintained, made a new low. Because every low that's made, when this low right here was broken, right there, this high is important now. This high cannot be broken or the structure is broken, okay? So this high is still important, even though it's coming all the way up here. Boom. This low right here was taken again. This high up here cannot be broken. Boom, right there. So this is a break of structure. If you understand supply and demand, you have to wait. Usually you probably should wait until you have a break of structure, which is what we have right here. This is what I'm seeing. So I'm looking at price to possibly take out the high. This is the draw on liquidity here, but it has to come back down here to test this. It's not just about to just push all the way up there, okay? So I see it coming back down to this demand zone. We got two of them on the 15-minute chart, okay? Usually price will disrespect that first one and come down here and get this one. So I'm going to draw what I see happening up until 9:30, and I'm looking for buys right now. I could sell it down to those areas, but I'm not sure about that. But I am sure, especially if you don't take out the high, if it just dropped down, yeah, it's a wrap. So I'm looking for buys right now. So what I'm thinking about is going to happen is it actually may just come up here and take out the high, which kind of makes sense, then work its way on down, fill in this gap here, have some kind of reaction, come back up here and retest that. I see it working its way down, all the way down to, it's an order block down here, or may retest this. This is a bullish order block on the daily. So like ICT says, expect for price to come back down to it more than once. It can do that because it's a higher time frame area. And then I see it really pushing hard off this order block again, all the way back up to this area up here. What area am I talking about? I'm talking about this support and resistance. This zone right here was support for a while. Let's go back over it. Let me go to the 15-minute chart. Let's go back over it. So if you see right here, I'm also using my shadow trading as well on this, and I'll explain what that is. So right here, look at this. This was support, bounced off, support, bounced off, support, bounced off, almost support, support, bounced off, boom, then it broke it. If you understand how the structure works, it has to come back up here, folks. It has to. Now, foolishly, I thought that it would come up here like that, yesterday. I could have took that short all the way down to the order block. I should have did that on heavy leverage, but man. So, it hit the bullish order block, and now I see it going higher up here. okay, because the drawn liquidity is up here. I don't see it taking this low. I see it filling in these gaps here, but it could come back down here to test it. I'm looking for buys, so I'll be looking for buys like in this area here. I'm looking, and the target is up here. I'm holding for this because this has to be retested. Okay, and then I'll shoot the after video when it happens, just like I said. Thanks for watching.